Hey guys, we have a huge announcement to make. We finally got in Dr. Soul soles. This is a Taiwanese rubber company, but they're huge and popular in the boot community. So we're excited to finally get this shipment in. Currently, we are offering the brown and black half sole and heel. Tony, what do you guys say?
Yeah, so we're really excited about this because up until now, all we've had to be able to offer was the Vibram corded 427 half sole and heel, which is an excellent product, very durable and everything, but a lot of people were still wanting that Dr. Sole because it's the new trend, it's the new name brand sole that everybody knows and loves, and so we're really excited about getting these in, and I think it's going to make some really beautiful recrafts for some of our videos and stuff.
I really do too. I love their pattern, and I love these kind of contrasting plugs that they have in there, and also that heavy cork on the side that really gives it that speckled look that I know a lot of companies are going for. So awesome. Yeah, we're going to be recrafting a pair of boots with these very soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that content. And we'll go from there. So yeah, also get your orders in because, again, limited supply. These things are going to fly off the shelves. So anything else?
That's it.
We'll see you on the next one. And they're just super popular in the Butte community.
In the Butte community.
And it's super popular in the Butte community.